students of class 6A. Today we are going to present the topic need of separation, examples, hand picking and winnowing. So let's get started.
Mama, what are you doing?
I am separating stones from rice.
Why, Mama?
Because stones are harmful and non-useful for us. So I am picking them up and separating.
Okay, Mama. Papa, what are you eating?
Rice. Oh, there is chili.
Why are you separating chilies?
Yes, Pawan, I don't like chili, so I am separating it.
Okay.
I have got my favorite vegetable today, but there is ginger.
Then what happened? You can separate it by hand picking.
Oh yes. This is now separated.
Now you can enjoy your food.
Thank you.
Daddy,
Yes.
butter is not useful.
No, butter is useful.
Oh, you don't like butter.
No, I like it.
Why are you separating?
Because butter is useful.
Okay, thank you.
Mama, I am going to have tea. Would you like to have some?
Yes, please. Can you make some tea for me also, please?
Okay, Mama. Dear Pawan, I am separating tea from tea leaves because they are not useful.
Okay, thank you.
Now I have an activity for you. So I am having some colorful squares, rectangles in it. Can anyone come and separate them? Bhagwan, please come. Can you separate them?
Yes, sure. Blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, and pink. Okay.
Can you tell on what basis you have separated it?
On the basis of color,
And by which method?
by the method of hand picking.
Yes, thank you. So now I will tell you why we need to separate substances. We need to separate substances first to obtain useful substances. For example, butter from buttermilk. We need to separate substances second to remove non-useful substances. For example, tea leaves from tea. We need to separate substances to remove impurities or harmful substances. For example, stones from rice. Now we will discuss two methods of separation. Dear Aman, please come. In this basket, there are apples and oranges. Can you separate them?
Yes, sure.
Oranges and oranges. Can you tell by which method you have separated them?
By the method of hand picking
And on what basis you have separated them?
on the basis of color and size.
Yes, you are right. Thank you.
We want to cook pulses, but there are stones in it. Can anyone come and help me? Hargun, please come. Can you help me to separate them?
Yes, sure.
Can you tell on what basis we have separated them?
On the basis of size,
And by which method we have separated them?
by hand picking.
Okay, thank you.
Method of hand picking can be used for separating impurities like dirt, stones, husk from wheat, pulses or rice.
We want to cook rice and there are stones in it. We can separate stones by the method of hand picking.
I am having mixture of colorful jam.
Yes, we can separate them by the method of hand picking.
Now I am separating purple, pink, purple, pink.
Yes, dear, you have to separate them by hand picking method only. It's correct.
Okay.
To Today is my friend's birthday and I should buy some flowers for her. Bye bye. I'm going to market. Uncle.
Yes, beta.
I need some flowers.
You can take from there.
I need red flowers.
You can take extra.
Okay. I have got red flowers by hand picking.
Handkerchief, anyone can buy handkerchief.
Brother, I need handkerchief.
Yes, you can take.
I need a pink color.
Yes, you can take pink color.
Thank you. See friends, I have got my pink handkerchief by the method of hand picking. I am a school captain. I have collected this money from students for donation. But I am in tension how to separate these notes. It's very easy. How? It's very easy. By the method of hand picking we can separate them. Like there are some notes we can separate. Grey notes at a side, brown notes, orange, and this pink. Yes, hand picking method is very easy. So she has done this activity by the method of hand picking. Dear Bubbly, what she is doing? This is also one method of separation. In this method, heavier and lighter components are separated by wind or by blowing air. This is known as winnowing. Thank you.
This method is also used by farmers in which lighter husk particles are separated from heavier seeds of grain by wind or by blowing air.
Separated husk is also used as fodder for cattle.
So I hope you have understood our today's topic. So now it's quiz time. I am having first question, that is, this image shows the process of winnowing. On what basis the mixture gets separated in winnowing? Options are A. Size, B. Color, C. Shape, and D. Weight. Yes, Harkun? Weight. Yes, it's correct. Thank you. A bag has the limes and oranges. A student separated them without looking in it. Why do you think student uses this method? Options are A. Both fruits have different size. B. Both fruits have different weight. C. Both fruits have different shape. And D. Both fruits have different color. Yes, one.
Because both fruits have different size.
Yes, it is correct. Thank you.
All my dear friends, I hope you have understood our today's topic. If you have any query, you may ask us. Yes, Kamal.
Is separation always done to remove harmful and non-harmful substances?
No, for example, butter is separated from buttermilk and they both are useful.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Kiran.
Why are we studying this topic?
We are studying the topics of separation. This method is used by specific conditions. We can separate them on the basis of size, color, weight, shape,